Hello, Walkabout High School seniors and juniors. I'm so excited to meet each of you this school year. I want you to take advantage of all the resources that we have for you. Thank you to my seniors who have participated in College Application Day. I feel like the event was awesome. You all really showed up and showed out, and you asked questions and you worked on your applications, and it was just a wonderful day, and I'm so excited. I know that this is going to be a great senior year for you all. Just an upcoming announcement, seniors and juniors, we will be having our college fair field trip on October 7th. I've just sent an email to you all with the permission slip. I also have paper copies of the permission form here in the guidance office as well. They're sitting right on the table up front. I must receive those by September 24th. So make sure if you're wanting to go on that trip with us, that you get those forms into me as soon as possible. The college fair takes place at Howard Rec Center. In that email that I've sent to you, it has a listing of all the colleges that will be participating in that event. So that is in your email. And this trip is for juniors and seniors, and it is first come, first serve on slots. Okay. I want to make sure that each of you know how to use some of the resources that I have for you all. The first one is my booking app. Okay, right now I'm only booking appointments for my seniors. And then once I get a lot of the seniors out of the way for their senior meetings, then I will move on to my junior appointments, where we can discuss our schedules for next year and discuss your post-secondary plans as well. So seniors, please continue booking those appointments. And for those of you who are saying, well, how do I get to her booking app? Hold on, I'm going to show you.
So to get to my booking page online, it's actually quite simple. So you just go to Google, then we're going to go right up here and put in the following web address: https, and then we're going to put Mrs. Tam Tucker .you can book.me. Then we're going to hit go, and it literally takes you right to my booking page. When we get there, we're going to press right where it says graduation planning and transcript review. And now this takes you to where I still have availability. So to choose a time, all you're going to do is pick a time that works for you. If you need a different day, just scroll through up there, and it takes you to the next available dates that I have with times. Anytime you pick an appointment, it'll come straight to me on my calendar. And then that way I don't overbook, and everyone feels like they all have a chance to sit down with me to discuss their senior year. So please take advantage of booking this senior appointment with me. It'll help us to sort things out together.
So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is using your school email and using the Remind. It is imperative that you are checking your school email. If you don't know how, then you need to ask how to log into your Microsoft account. If you can log on to your laptop, then you can log into your Microsoft account. It's the same username and password. If you need assistance, Miss Kelly, she can assist you. She runs the computer lab. She's the computer science instructor down there. She can show you how to access your school email. I send so many notices through that. I also send notices through the school Remind. I have a Remind course set up for seniors and juniors. I also have Remind classrooms set up for my senior parents and my junior parents. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to access my Reminds.
So this is how you sign up for my senior parent Remind. You send a text to 81010. In the text message, you'll put at MRSTUCK21P. So just remember, this one is for senior parents. That's why it ends in P. If you're on the one that says S, you're on the wrong one, parents. So just make sure you're signing up for your correct class. Remind only allows me to have a certain amount of people in each class. So that's why I have to break them up into smaller groups. So this is the one for senior parents. This is my Remind class for senior students. Once again, you will send a text to 81010. This time, the text message will say at MRSTUCK21S, as in S for students. So make sure if you are a senior student, you should be joining at MRSTUCK21S. I will send lots of things through the Remind, including scholarship information. So make sure you're on the correct Remind class. Junior students, you can join your Remind class by texting to 81010 the following text message at JUNIORSTUS. At JUNIORSTUS. This is the classroom for junior students. Lastly, junior parents, you can join your Remind class by sending a text to 81010. The text should say at JUNIORPARS. Once again, it's at JUNIORPARS. This classroom is for junior parents. Parents, if you're struggling with using the app, check in with your students. They are familiar with using Remind. Many of our teachers use Remind, and they can help you get set up on your phone. And this way, you will not miss out on any of the announcements that I send as well.
I want to encourage each and every one of you not to stress. Do not stress out. Take advantage of what's in front of you. Ask your teachers questions if you have them. Do not be afraid. Take advantage of Smart Lunch. When you get time to retake your assessment, do it. If the teacher is telling you to come in and make corrections, do it. Keep your grades up. Every grade matters, okay? These years go by so quickly. Seniors, I'm so proud of you. You're doing a great job doing your applications. And juniors, remember, this year is going to be one of your strongest years. Like when you come in the fall next year, that GPA that you have on that transcript is the one that's going to go to colleges. So this year is very important. You have got to work hard all year long. And I know y'all got it in you. So just put it out there. Do your best, and I know everything will work out in the end. Start building that resume. Join clubs and organizations if you aren't in them. It is important that you participate in campus activities and extracurriculars so that when you become a senior, you will have things to put on your resume for college. So now is a good time, juniors. If you haven't been a part of anything, now is a good time to join. And now with us having this Smart Lunch opportunity, you can actually participate in clubs and activities during the school day. So take advantage of that. It will help, trust me, when it's time to get scholarships and you'll have to put down community service that you participated in, you want to have something to write about. So take advantage of this junior year. I just want you to know how important it is and how much it's going to matter going into your senior year. So once again, I'm so excited to work with y'all. Make sure you utilize that Remind. You can use it as much as possible. My seniors will tell you I try real hard to get right back to you. I'm doing these meetings all day, so sometimes it can take a little while, but I will answer your questions same day. So you can at least rely on that. If you can't reach me on the phone, because like I said, I am in these IGP meetings, please shoot me an email. TATucker@gcsd.k12.se.us. I want to also encourage you all to use our Walk on My website. I've uploaded so much information for you guys right on the guidance part of the Walk on My website. So please take a look. I have a link to scholarship opportunities there. So many scholarships. Junior students, if you're interested in PACE, take a look at what I've placed on the website there. I have all the instructions that are necessary in order to register for PACE courses. Also, we utilize Parchment to send transcripts. We discussed that a little bit in homeroom when we did junior and senior meetings. I'll also be sending out a video link for you to look at with instructions on how to set up your Parchment account if you have not done that yet. If you need a copy of your registration code for Parchment, please reach out to Ms. Gaskew, our guidance secretary. She has a copy of your Parchment registration code on file, and she can answer any questions you have about setting up that Parchment account. That is the program that we use in order to send transcripts. So even if you want to see a self copy of your transcript, you need to have your Parchment account set up so that you can request a self copy of the transcript. So once again, I will be sending out a Parchment link. It's a video tutorial showing you how to set up your Parchment account. So don't be afraid to ask any questions that you have. I try to be as relatable as possible. So I'm so excited, and I know this is going to be a great school year because y'all have been awesome already. So I'm so excited to see what's to come. Bye.